Hello everyone, you are in Endurance Laser Lab. Today we want to tell for woodworkers and people who like to do wooden things how to do nice engravings on piece of wood. We actually use wooden cubes. Okay, so we use a software called Akan Mini. So we type a text that we want to engrave. We set up parameters like 2 milliseconds of burning, 100% intensity, and let's run. So it takes not so much time to engrave these cubes, as you can see. Number 2. We already made some examples here and here, and even yeah, I cannot show it to you. So it's quite easy. So we just need to set up parameters of size. That's to make sure that it will fit into your wooden cube. Okay, so we use a 3.5 watt endurance laser. We installed on a DIY engraving machine. This is a version mini with a working size like 4 on 4 inch. It's quite small, but if you want to do such things, it is really good solution. So it doesn't take a lot of space, does not require. We already made some nice examples here, and we are going to take some photos. We cut even nylon, engraved on chocolate. Now want to complete this thing. It's almost ready. Let's see the parameters. Okay, goes really fast. And yeah, I think that you like it. And please subscribe on our channel, share with your friends, and do wooden engraving things with our lasers. They are really powerful, really stable, and you'll enjoy your woodworking process. As you can see, it looks just marvelous. And have a nice engraving. Bye bye.